Good morning, it's Michelle with today's Mindful Moment. And today I wanted to hop on because last week I had a couple clients, it's back to school, people are talking about schedules and how everything's going to change. So I just want to share a little tip with you that I share with them. We discussed taking time, scheduling time to schedule. And at first, it may seem a little crazy, but it makes all the difference. Because here's what happens, right? Like we get into our day and we have all these good intentions in our mind, but we haven't really put anything on the calendar, and then the day just like happens to us. But what I want to encourage you to do, if this is you and you're struggling with it, is to set aside some time. So like on Sundays, for example, I set aside time to actually put things on the calendar that must get done. And it's almost like that game. Remember playing as a kid, like you had a mayonnaise jar, and I think you had to fill in as much as you possibly could. So you put like the big rocks in, and then you put in smaller rocks, and then you had the little marbles, and then the sand. And I can't remember, did you put water in it afterwards? But in any case, on Sundays, I put the big rocks on the calendar. For my job, it also changes. So what I do is I go back 24 hours in advance. So each night I kind of look at the calendar, and then I can fill in the smaller rocks and the pebbles, right? Because then I have a better idea. But I know in the morning when I get up what the plan is, it's on the calendar, and then my brain is focused to get it done. Now, if this is something that you're open to trying, I also want to share with you, I have this amazing planner. It is Brendon Burchard, the High Performance Planner. And it actually comes in a variety of colors. But what I want to point out to you is that each day it gives you like your time, and it has you be more mindful in like deciding in advance, like kind of how you're going to start your day and how you end your day. I will tell you, the one drawback that I find on it is that it doesn't begin until 6 a.m. So I add a couple lines so that we can get going at 3:30 a.m. And also one other just little tip, I want to make sure if you get it, start on a Monday, because it's set up for you to do every day of the week, and then it gives you like a week in review and a month in review. So if you want to end at the appropriate time for the week, make sure you start on a Monday. And I hope you have a fabulous Labor Day weekend, and I will see you back here next week. Take care.